Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss LeetCode question number 424, which is longest repeating character replacement. So let's read the question. You are given a string s and an integer k. You can choose any character of the string and change it to any other uppercase English character. You can perform this operation at most k times, and you have to return the length of the longest substring containing the same letters you can get after performing the above operation. So you will be given a string and you will be given k, and you have to do some operation. That operation is that you can choose any character and change it to any other character. And you have to do this operation k times. And you can do this operation on any substring of this s, and you have to tell what longest length substring you can achieve that will contain all the letters same. So let's see the first example. It is AB AB and K is 2. So in this, you can change this B, both B to A, and you can get a substring of length 4, which will be having all the characters same. Or you can change this A to B. So you will be having a string of length 4 that will have all the same characters. Now let's see the example 2. In this example, K is given 1. So in this, you can see this. This is a substring, and in this only one B is different. So you can change this to A, and you can get a substring of length 4 with same characters. You can change this B to A, and you will have a substring of length 4 with all the character A. Okay, so this is a problem statement. So let's discuss the approach. So what you can do, you can take a map. You can take a map, and in that map, and after that, you start traversing this string, and you will have two pointers. Take a pointer A that will be pointing to the first character of the string, and run another for loop starting from this index. And inside that loop, you just add this character to the map. So first index is A, so you will add this A to map with frequency 1. Now you need to uh, take a variable that will store the maximum frequency. What maximum frequency? Maximum frequency means whatever distance you have covered till that, what is the maximum frequency you have got? Whichever character, you just need the maximum frequency. So this MX will store the maximum frequency. Okay, so now you are at A, you added the A to map, and after that, your maximum frequency will be 1. Now the next character is B, and you will add this B to map, so it will be frequency 1. Max frequency will be 1 only. And one more thing you will do, at each step, you will check whether the length of the substring that currently I am covering, which is starting from A to I, the current index that I am standing. So it is 1. So you will check whether the length of this string, so length will be 2, length is 2. And this length minus max frequency. Max frequency means in this substring, whatever max frequency, suppose A or B, both are having same frequency. So max frequency is 1 only. So if you will subtract subtract max frequency from the length of the substring means 2 minus 1. So you will get 1. If this difference, if this difference is lesser than equal to k, then it is okay. Means you can consider this length. If it goes beyond k, then you are having more than k characters, more than k character different in the substring that currently I am. Okay. So uh, currently max frequency is 1. So 2 minus 1, it is 1, which is lesser than k. So we will do nothing. We will have a resultant variable that will store the length of the string. So length of the string will be I minus a plus 1. So I is 1 and a is 0 plus 1. So my current length is 2. Means I got a substring of length in which I can change a character, means do a operation one time, then I can get a string of two length that will have all the characters same. Okay. Now move to next character. Next character is a. I will increase the frequency in the map of a, and I will also maximize my max frequency variable. So max frequency will become 2. Now again I will do the same check. Same check whether the length of the string that I formed now. So till now our result is 2. Now our length is 3. So till now I have formed a substring of length 3 and max frequency is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, which is lesser than k. Yeah, we can consider this a string. In this string also we can perform at most k operation, so that I can get a string of length 3, which will have all the characters same. So after this I will maximize my string length in the same way I minus a plus 1. So my result will become 3. Now I will move to the next character. Now it is b. So I will increase the frequency of b and max frequency will remain 2 only. So again I will check. Now my length of the string is 4. Now I will check whether 4 minus 2, 4 minus max frequency, which is 4 minus 2 is 2, is lesser than equal to, because I need to do k operation. So that's why equal to. So which is equal to less than equal to k. So I can consider this a string, because in this string I can perform k operation and I can get the string that will have all the characters same. And after that I will maximize my result. So it will become 4. So output for this example is 4. Let's see the second example. Yeah, in the second example, a will be pointing to 0 and I will iterate over the string. So I got a, I will store it in the map with frequency 1. So my max frequency will be 1. Now I will check whether length is 1. Length minus max frequency is lesser than equal to k or not. Yeah, it's lesser than equal to k. So I can consider this string. So I will have my result as 1. Now I will move to the next string, next character. So I will increase the frequency of a, it will 2, and max frequency will become 2. And I will check uh, whether the length minus max frequency, length is 2 and max frequency is 2. So which is equal to 0, which is lesser than equal to k. So yeah, I can consider this a string. Now I will go to the next character, B. So I will add B to my map, B equal to 1. So max frequency will be 2 only. So now I will check whether length minus max frequency 3 minus 2 is lesser than equal to k. Yeah, it's lesser than equal to k. K is 1 and its subtraction is 1. So I can consider this string. So I will maximize my resultant variable. So it will become 3. Now the next character is A. So I will increase the frequency of A in my map and I will maximize my frequency also. So it will become 3. So I will check whether the length is now 4. 4 minus max frequency is lesser than equal to k. Yeah, it's lesser than equal to k. So I can consider this a string. So I will maximize my result. So it will become 4. Now, when I go to the next character, so frequency of B becomes 2. Now max frequency remains same, 3 only. Now length of the substring is 5. Uh, let me clear it. Yeah. So length of the string is 5. I will check 5 minus max frequency, which is 3, is equal to 2, is lesser than equal to k. No, it is not, because k is 1. So what I will do, I will start moving my pointer A. I will start moving my pointer A. And yeah, start moving my pointer A and keep decreasing the frequency of the character. Let me clear it for, yeah. So my I is here, my A is here. Now I will keep increasing my pointer A and decrease the frequency. And I will keep increasing till I will keep increasing A till I get this difference lesser than equal to K. So currently it is greater. So I will uh, move move pointer A here and will decrease the frequency of A becomes 2. Okay, now length becomes 4. So 4 minus max frequency, which is 3. 4 minus 3 is lesser than equal to K. Yeah, it's equal lesser than equal to K. Then I can consider this result also, this string also. So this string is having a length 4. So the result will be 4 only. Now I will move my I pointed to next character. Now it is B. Now B frequency becomes 3. Yeah, B frequency becomes 3. So max frequency is 3. Now length is 5 and max frequency is 3. So again, the difference become greater than K. So again, we will start moving our starting pointer till I get this difference lesser than equal to K. So it is 2. I will move my pointer A to this and will decrease the frequency of A 1. So my pointer is here. Yeah, my A pointer is here and length become 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. It is lesser than equal to K. So yes, so I can consider this string with K operation. So the length is 4. Length is 4. So it will be 4 only. Now it will go to the next character A. Now A frequency will become 2. Now again length become 5 and max frequency is 3. So again, difference is greater than k. So we will move our a pointer and will reduce the frequency of a. It will become 1. Hmm, sorry, I think I didn't increase when I commanded, so it will be 3, and after decreasing, it will become 2. Yeah, so now when I move my pointer a to this, so my string length becomes 4 and max frequency is 3. So difference is lesser than equal to k. So yeah, I can consider this a string. So result length will be 4. So let's see the code. Yeah, here you can see that I have taken a pointer a, which is at 0, and taken a map and a max frequency variable and result. And I'm iterating over the string, and I am uh, increasing frequency of the character and calculating the max frequency and checking if length minus max frequency is greater than k. Then I started moving my a pointer till it becomes lesser than k. Till here means at this point, uh, we will get a valid string. And so whatever this length will be a valid string. So yeah, we are maximizing the result and resulting that result. So let's run this code. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. So time complexity for this will be of n, as we are running a single loop and using two pointer approach. So we are having another loop inside this for loop, but it will be negligible because we are not running all the times. So the time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be also of 26, because we will be storing not 26. I think the question is given ki it will have only A or B character. Let me check. No, it will have all the uppercase alphabets. So yeah, the space complexity will be O 26. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.